How to download and install Robinhood. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, you must open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for Robinhood. So it will pop up in the top. Simply tap on it. Make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing the logo and verify it by seeing the company's name. Now here, tap on install. So the installation process has begun. So what is this app about? Basically, this is a stock and trading application. Here, you'll be able to view different charts and trade accordingly. So the app has been installed. Now you can easily open and start using it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.